Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to remove card on Bet365. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in bet365.com. Once you press enter, you'll be taken to this website. Now on this website, you'll have to log into your account, so click on this login button. Then you'll have to enter your login credential on this box, then click on login. You cannot remove your card completely, but you can make it inactive, or you can change your card details to another card that is not useful. You can follow either of the method. If you make your card inactive, there won't be any transactions, and if you change your bank details, the amount won't be used from your main bank account. To do so, you can go to your billing information section, either make it inactive or change your card details. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.